Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this super cool device right here from Neewer. This is a tabletop dolly, guys. This has a range from 45 to 120 degrees that you can adjust the angle. Of course, it does come with the built-in controls right here in the device. And it also has an iPhone or Android app that you can utilize to control this for things like time lapse, live video, a ton of features built into it. Let's take this thing back here to the desk and see exactly what comes in the box and what it may offer for your next production. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to get out of the box is going to be this really nice little travel case. This is very semi-rigid. Let me show you guys. It only has a single zipper, but inside of this case, you will be able to house all of your different accessories, including the tabletop dolly and some of the other accessories I'm going to show you. This also comes with some replacement wheels. You get about 8 of those. You also get the USB-C cable. You're going to receive this smartphone styled action camera mount for your ball head mount. And speaking of the ball head mount, that's going to be this device right here. Also comes in this case. You also will receive a phone mount, which will come in really handy, especially if you're going to be doing some recording with the smartphone. All of those things come in the kit. Now here is our tabletop dolly, as you guys can see here. Really nice design, 4 wheels. Now only one of these wheels actually move or is controlled by the motors, which is the one that you see here, the black wheel. But all of the others are just going to follow along. On the back here, you're going to find your controls. You have your power button, you have your forward, reverse, and your speed button. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. All you have to do is press and hold this button like so, and then it's going to switch on. So right now what you see, it's in speed 1. We can increase that to 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is going to be our maximum speed. And again, like I said, you can control the direction by these 2 buttons here. As far as the angle of travel, you have the ability to have it go in a straight line. You're just going to line this up where it's going to be 90 degrees like so. Or if you wanted to transverse, to a certain angle, you would just adjust that based on the numbers that you see here as to how, far you want it to curve at a certain angle, which comes in really nice. Now, this motorized desktop dolly, guys, also has a smartphone app that is going to allow you to control a lot of the features of this dolly. Let me show you guys that really quick. Now, once you connect this to your dolly, you'll be able to go in and control it. You'll have your manual mode. You'll also have live view mode and a time-lapse mode. And you'll also be able to control the speed from the remote itself. So we could bring this all the way down to 1. As you guys see, it's reflected here on the dolly. So if I bring this now, let's say back up to 4, you're going to also see that's reflected on the dolly, right? You have the ability to run this in a slow mode or continuous mode, and also go back and forth with these 2 buttons here. If you go into your live view mode, you can actually set up the distance that you want the dolly to travel and the amount of time it's going to take for it to travel. So let's say we were going with the 66 millimeters here, and we wanted that to take, I don't know, let's go back down to perhaps 10 seconds. Well, it says 20 seconds there. And as you see, it's going to start to move. Now I can also stop that from the app, and I can also pause it from the app, and I can also change the direction from the app, just like so. So now if I hit this button again, as you guys see, it's going to ramp up and it's going to start traveling. Now that's going to take the entire 20 seconds for it to make the full length. So what's good about that is you'll be able to schedule different distances based on time. And if you want to do time lapse, it'll move in whatever durations of time that you want it to be able to move over a period of time. All right. So like I said, guys, the app is very cool. It comes with all of these other accessories, including this ball head mount, which you can easily mount onto your little dolly. And you have the option of either using your, GoPro action camera mount, or you can use the smartphone mount depending on what your application is going to be, used for. Okay? All right, so as you guys can see here, we have our phone mount now mounted on this device. I'm going to take this iPhone here, and we're going to place it inside, and we're going to record a little bit of video, and I'll show you guys what that video looks like. Okay guys, quickly, I just wanted to give you guys an introduction to this really cool tabletop dolly. As you guys can see from the video and everything that I've shown so far, this thing is an asset to anyone's home, office, or studio. This thing is amazing quality, guys. With an amazing all metal construction, double rubber tires on each one of these wheels, the ability to control this with a smartphone app. This is going to be an excellent asset to my home office, my studio. So if my other photographers out there are looking for something like this that will allow you to be able to create tabletop video, time-lapse video, this is a win. Definitely check it out from Neewer. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome at Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.